A normal day at London Heathrow, and why this airport can handle so much traffic with just 2 runways. A minimum separation between the airplanes, and absolutely adhere to the famous 160 knots till 40 mi or you mess up the sequence. The preceding airplane is just 2.5 miles ahead of us, and the succeeding airplane is just 2.5 miles behind us. The airplane ahead of us hasn't even landed yet, and before we are clear to land, another airplane will cross the active runway. Just a normal day at London Heathrow. Now the airplane ahead of us has landed, and the Qatar Airways A380 will cross the runway. We are already lower than 1,000 feet above the ground. Will there be enough time for the huge A380 to cross the runway in time, or do we have to go around? 2 airplanes on the runway, the landing airplane on its rollout and the A380 crossing. No problem at all. The landing airplane vacated the runway quickly, and so did the A380. Everybody play his role to make this airport as efficient as it is. Now it's our turn to land. Runway is clear, we are clear to land runway 27 left. By the way, it's gonna be my landing, butter or not.
100 above, 300. Minimum.
Continue.
$100, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, retard, retard.
Welcome to London Heathrow. Thanks for watching and auf Wiedersehen.